Hi girls. Okay, so the package looks like this. This is the package from the Apple's Discount Nail Shop. I already opened it because I couldn't wait, but let's go ahead and go in it together now. Okay. So, oops, I'm dropping stuff here. Okay, so first of all, the things that I ordered right there were the some decals. And here, I got this one right here. This is called the Gucci print. And for this one, this is the extra large as well. And these are $5. And look at that. Look at that color. The color, the print looks really good. The colors very, the colors look great. They're pretty bright. They look good. So, you know, I'll probably make some videos using the decals and stuff, but we have this one. This one was $5 on their site. And then second is this one. This is called the Be Gucci. The Be Gucci, and this is also $5 on their site. It's the extra large. Look really pretty. Again, the colors look really good. The print and, you know. Okay, and then here we have the, it's called the Chanel Roses. Also in the extra large. Really pretty. Again, like the print is good and the colors, everything looks really nice. This is also the extra large. This you'll see for $5 as well. Look at that. That's great. Beautiful. Okay. And then next, I also purchased this. It's supposed to be a face mask. It's one of their Louis Vuitton custom masks, and it's on the site. You can find it for $6. I'll go ahead and open this. This one I have not opened yet, so let's see. It's a real good size. As you can see, it's like about the palm of my hand. Sorry. Quality is really nice. It's very soft for the face. You know, you can feel a little bit of the padding inside, just really thin layer of like the cotton or whatever they use to put inside. Very thin, but nice. It's good. See, they did a really good job with the sewing. I don't see any loose threads or anything. That's good. So this one on their site is for $6, and you can get one of these little custom Louis Vuitton masks for when you work. We got to protect ourselves, you know. And then next, I ordered some of these. It's called the 10-piece plastic nail soak off cap clip. And these you'll find it for $5 on their site. It says right there, visit our website www.applesdiscountnailshop.com. Okay, so let's see these. And then you do get 10. I want to say you have the 3 colors to pick from. You have this one, which is the pink. And then you have, I want to say yeah, it's pink. And then they have the whites and the purples to pick from. So here are these clips for, you know, you soak a cotton ball with acetone, and this way you can just do one finger, or, you know, if you don't have to like soak off like the entire hand, if you just have like one or like a couple broken nails there or something, that's all you would have to do, you know, like you wouldn't have to waste your acetone or anything. But yeah, you just soak your cotton balls with acetone and then just place it in there, and that way you can work on one nail individually while you while you go ahead and work on the others, you know? So I think they're good because the plastics, it's good, it's decent, it doesn't feel flimsy or cheap or anything. It's just, it's decent, you know, it's good. For $5, you get 10. It's a 10 pack. So again, this is the pink. It looks more of a like of a coral. Yeah, like a coral, like a salmon color. So it's supposed to be the pink. And then the blue, and then the purple ones, I think they're more like in the lavender tone and stuff, and the white. And then I also ordered, okay, yeah, I also ordered these. This is, you will see it in their site, and it's called the High Quality Crystal AB Raindrop Rhinestones. And they carry a few sizes. They have the 2 by 6 millimeters, the 3 by 10 millimeters, and the 4 by 14. These right here that I purchased, they come in a 10 piece. So this here is the 2 by 6 millimeter, and these are $2.50. $2.50 for 10 piece. This is the 10 piece. And you get 10. Okay. And then here's the next one. This is the 3 by 10 because I bought two. I bought the 2 by 6, and this is the 3 by 10 millimeter. And this, the 3 by 10 ones, are $3.50, and that's for the 10 piece. They do look beautiful. They do have great shine. They are cut nicely. They just sparkle. So for 10 piece, 3 by 10 for $3.50, or the 2 by 6 for $2.50, and these are 10 pieces. And then they also have the 4 by 14 millimeter, but that one will be $4.50. And then they do have the option where you can get a little bit of all 3 of them. And I'm not quite sure about the prices. I might have to just put that in the description below. But that one does contain less. It won't be 10 piece each. It would be, you would get like 15 pieces, but just like 5 of each size. The 2 by 6, the 3 by 10, and I think it's the 4 by 14. But you can go ahead and check out their website, and you can see there for yourselves, you know. And then they went ahead and they tossed in a couple freebies, and here are my little freebies right here, which was very nice of them to go ahead and give me a few extras. Here we have some more decals, and I want to say these are in the extra large as well. This is the Grinch. That is so funny. That is so cool. I need to try these now that Christmas is around the corner. And then here we have this one. This is the Grinch again with the Jim Carrey. He's so awesome. And then here we have this one, the Grinch. And then we have this one right here. This girl with her little ski mask, or her, that's awesome. I love her lips. And then we got these right here, like the little ripped jeans. That one is so cool. And then we have these beautiful roses here. Awesome color. Those are so cute. And then we have an Elmo. That's so great. But look, you can see the print. The print is really good. The colors are awesome. And then here we have this one. I think this one's my favorite. He is so cute. Look at that. Again, the color. Look at the color. Look at the print. These are awesome. Yeah. So there you go. That is my unboxing. And that, again, is for... you can check out their site, www.applesdiscountnailshop.com. You can also find them and follow them on Instagram, Apple's Discount Nail Shop 17. Great. Check out the website. I think you'll have fun looking through it. They have some great prices, some awesome stuff, very good looking, and I'm pretty sure you guys will find something there that you would love. I love the site. I will be shopping there some more. So yeah, let me know in the description what you would like to know, if you would like to see a little bit more of these things or any videos. Yeah, I guess we're just gonna have to put some of this stuff to use, right? Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed my video and you enjoyed some of the stuff that I got, and you guys can go ahead and check that out, that website. And yes, I guess we'll see you soon when we have a couple videos using some of this stuff, okay? So, thanks.